How to start a Venmo account. So if you decide that you would like to start a Venmo account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, make sure to launch your App Store or your Play Store, and then make sure that you have downloaded the Venmo application. So you can go ahead and simply search for Venmo right here, and then just make sure to download the Venmo application right here. So once you've downloaded the Venmo app, you can simply choose to basically open it up, right? So go ahead and open the Venmo app. If you have an account, you can tap the login button to log into your account. But since we're just trying to create one, tap on the create account button. You will see a couple of options where you can allow the notifications and so on, and once done, it will ask us how we're going to use Venmo. Select the information and select a couple of options, but it will also ask you to enter your phone number and get verified. So enter your phone number and then just enter the verification code sent to the phone number, and make sure to fill up your legal details like your first name, your last name, and so on. After you have done that, you will see a couple of questions, but you can already skip this, and you can choose to sync your contacts, add a debit card, but you can skip that process as well. And once done, you will be able to see that we have successfully started our Venmo account. This way you will be able to start a Venmo account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.